This week I'm working on the wonder wardrobe for a client, and I thought it would be nice to record this process and show you how it all works. The whole process consists of 3 steps, of 3 capsules basically. The first capsule is the first draw I send to my client when I find some pieces and I see that I got some kind of a stylistic direction already, maybe some color scheme. It depends. So I send her the first draw so she can see if I'm going to the right direction, if she likes where I'm going, because it's very important for me that she likes her wonder wardrobe. For the most important part is that she wears it as long as possible and she enjoys wearing it every day. So this is the ultimate goal. That's why I've divided the process in 3 steps. So the first draw capsule, she gives me the feedback, she says what she likes, what she doesn't like. Considering this feedback, I create the second capsule. It can be completely different from the first one if I had a bad feedback, or if I had a good feedback, I will just continue working on it and look for more pieces, or try to evolve it into something super special. And then I get another feedback about the second capsule, and then I create the third capsule. Is like the final version of the capsule, so it's the one that my client is supposed to buy already. I provide all the links with the sizes and everything. So today is day 1. I will start researching and trying to understand how this capsule will look like. Yesterday we had a talk with her and she told me all about her life and what kind of clothes she likes, what kind of clothes she doesn't like, what is comfortable for her to wear, what kind of colors she enjoys, and all this stuff. So we discussed a lot of things that I need to know to create a wardrobe. So now I will consider all these things she told me and will try to find something cool for her. And I'm very excited today because today is the first time that I will use my ethical brand guide that I created for the US. Oh my god, for the first time. I'm so excited because it's so much easier to use. Before I had all this saved links all over my computer, and now I have all the shops in one ebook, and I will just go through them and see what the sustainable and ethical brands have and try to find some pieces for the capsule. She also sent me some pictures of clothes she likes, of styles she likes from Pinterest. So basically those are not items that I can go and buy, but just get inspiration from. And she told me if you can find this black dress for me, that's gonna be enough already. So I will probably start with looking for that black dress because if it's her dream dress, she has to have it, right? She deserves it. We've also decided that I will create 10-11 outfits for her, and we will include 2 dresses, 3 tops and 3 bottoms. About the color palette, I don't know yet, because she said that one dress she wants to be black and another dress she wants to be white. So we have this black and white colors. Basically, I have to see what's in the shops, I think, first, and then I will try to understand what kind of color palette we should have. It's just, she told me that she doesn't want to have anything too bright or any active prints, because the wardrobe is so small and she doesn't want people to feel like she is wearing the same things all the time, because if it's active print and everybody remembers it, they might unconsciously think that this person doesn't have anything to wear. But this is actually, I don't think you should care about this too much, because people really don't pay that much attention to it. Believe me, they have so much more in their minds than remembering what you were wearing 3 days ago, okay? So don't really think about it. But if she doesn't want active prints or bright colors, that's good. That's okay with me, alright? I just don't want to make like a super black or super dark capsule because she's very young, and I don't know, I think she will look very beautiful with some color in it, but I will respect her wishes first. It's been 5 hours. Yes, I've been scrolling online shops like an insane person, but I found some cool pieces and that I think she will like. This black wraparound dress is made out of silk. It's beautiful and will fit perfectly a bare body type that my client has. I added this white dress with the accent on the waistline. It's made out of wool, that means she can wear it in fall, winter and spring. Both the blue and white tops can be worn in different ways. The blue top can have a V-neck or round neck if you turn it around. The white top is a little simpler, but also can be turned around. I chose this hand-dyed silk skirt. It's quite expensive, but I think it's worth it because it's versatile and can be worn all year round. Another skirt is more casual and can also be styled with sneakers. Alright, this is the second day. I just got my feedback. It was pretty nice. She said she really liked the dresses, so we're gonna leave them here. And the only thing that she didn't really like is that I chose too much navy color, and she said that she doesn't really wear that much navy, and maybe we can try another color because she saw this top in another color. There is like the same exact top but in kind of like a brown, ginger brown color. I said we will try, let's just put it in our visual guide and we can see how it looks like with the other outfits, and yeah, if not we can go back to navy and it's gonna be fine. That's what I'm going to do today. I'll be browsing online shops all over again. Scrolling and scrolling. As you can see, I've added brown top instead of the navy one. I think it looks beautiful, but it might be a little bit too yellow, too brown for her. I also added red sweater. I think it's very pretty, the color is very nice. And I'm glad to see some kind of pop of color here because the other colors are pretty neutral, yeah, because we have only white, black, brown and navy. Those are all neutral colors. And I also added a pair of jeans. She was asking me for a pair of jeans, so I found one pair for her, and I think these jeans are pretty cool. They are from sustainable brand and they are pretty affordable, around $100. And I like this modern shape, a little bit cropped and not too serious and not too casual. The only thing is that I'm still not sure about the color palette. For me right now it seems a little bit too simple. I will change it up a little bit in the end, although I'm not sure because I need to hear what she's saying. Maybe she likes the top and I would have to think maybe of changing the skirt, or you know, to turn the things around so we can have something unique and beautiful in the end. Alright, see you tomorrow with the final version of this capsule. Alright, the third day already of the Wonder Wardrobe creation. I've talked to my client, I showed her this capsule and she said that she doesn't like the brown top anymore, and me neither, you know, so we're gonna change it back to the navy one. And the bad news The bad news is that the black dress is sold out already, so I have to look for another dress that is similar to this one. And we're also gonna change the bag, and yeah, I'm thinking also changing the skirt because I checked the fit again and it has this elastic waist on the back, so I don't think it's very flattering, especially for my client. She has a pear body type, so I don't know, I will try to find another skirt that is more flattering for her, and maybe we'll try some other color. So I'm very excited. Yeah. Here's the final version of the capsule. I've changed quite a few things, so you'll see that the dress, the black dress, I found the similar one, and it's mostly the same but just a little bit shorter, which is completely fine, I think. Then I've changed the color of the pants. I just found this amethyst color and I was like, wow, this is such a beautiful color, and they actually hand dyed it, so it's super unique. I've brought back the navy top, as you can see. Now I think it fits perfectly here in this capsule with these colors. There is no more navy skirt, I've changed it. This skirt is a little bit different, it's more like a pencil skirt, and it's also high-waisted, so it's gonna accentuate the waistline. Then I also have a new bag that I found in the color of the pants. It's gonna look nice with the pants, very interesting. And also it looks super nice as a color accent with other outfits. I really like that all outfits can be dressed up and dressed down. Yeah, you can easily find some outfits for a party, you can easily find an outfit for a Sunday brunch, you can easily find an outfit to go anywhere basically. So it's such a small capsule, but it's super versatile. That's it, I hope you liked this video and found it useful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please don't be shy, leave them in the comments below, let's chat. And if you want to learn how to create a wonder wardrobe like this for yourself and by yourself, how to match colors, how to match outfits and different items together, how to create a visual guide like this, you should take the Wonder Wardrobe course. It will guide you through the process. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.